Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. Today's video is all about the Jewelry Making Fun Collaboration Challenge hosted by Dahlia Designs. So for this month, the challenge that she has given us, and we're in August of 2023 by the way, she wants us to use sapphire or dark blue. So I'm going to use this blue wire, it's 22 gauge. She wanted us to use beads that are shaped other than round. So I'm going to use these little oval crystal beads. And then she wants us to use, silver or gold wire findings. So we're doing silver. We've got 22 gauge silver wire. And of course have an ear wire because she says she wants us, I believe she wants us to make earrings or necklace. Did I make that up? Maybe I just made that up, but we are making earrings. So I'm going to be using this component here that I made with this wire, and I have a video all about how I make these beads. This is actually a bead because it has a hole in it. A link would be if there were like loops on each side, but since this has a hole that goes through it, it is considered a bead made of wire. Anyway, I will leave a link at the end of this video to another video that shows the how I made this, or how I made a bead like this with a wire, I think it's called gizmo. But today I'm just gonna go ahead and put this together. And so you need one of these, a bead, an ear wire. We've got round nose pliers, chain nose, wire cutters, and a ruler. And I'm using 22 gauge wire, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a head pin. And I've made these before, I just make a little knot at the end. The first thing I'm going to do is I coil about 3 times with my round nose pliers. And then I'm going to just bring the wire up to make kind of like a little golf club. And then I need about 2 inches. Doesn't have to be perfect. Clip that off. And then I'm going to feed the end of this wire into the hole. Take my other pliers and just pull, and we have a little knot at the end. Okay? So I'm going to take my bead that isn't round, and I am just going to wrap a loop very messily around, tucking in the wire. There we go. I usually like to do the wire wrapping with my hands, but sometimes you do need to have your pliers. So now that I got it all wrapped and wire tucked in, I'm going to add it to the bottom of this bead. I'm just going to take, again, 22 gauge wire. Put the bead on there. Make a messy loop, but first put your bead on there. And you wrap your wire and tuck it in. Oops. Don't use your wire cutters to do that though. All right. Just slide your bead down now, and again, you're going to make a loop, and I'm going to messily wrap it and tuck my wire in. And then I'm going to hang it on an ear wire. I want to make sure that I hang it the correct way though. If you notice, there's a back and a front. This is where the coil ended. So that's going to be in the back. And there we have our little coiled blue earrings using beads that are not round. I want to thank you all for joining me, and go check out all the other participants. I'll have information down in the description box below where you can just go click on all the different participants to see what they're making with all these challenges. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.